Good morning, students. Welcome to our English class for 5th grade. What we will do at this lesson today? Today we will speak about unusual buildings. On this lesson we will learn new words in context, take information about unusual buildings. There are some very unusual buildings around the world. Let's watch the video about it.
Unusual buildings. There are some very unusual buildings around the world. There's the Kansas City Public Library in the United States. It is the perfect building for a library. The cubic houses in Rotterdam, in the Netherlands, are very strange. And what about this place? This is Hang Nha Guest House in Vietnam. Here are two more unusual buildings from around the world. Jan Saukey is a Dutch architect. This is his house in Malawi, Africa. Why is Jan's house so special? It is in the shape of a football. It is a football fan's dream home. The 4-story house has got a bathroom, a kitchen, a bedroom and a living room. It has also got a great view from its windows. The outside is all metal and the inside is all wood. So the house is cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Maybe I'm crazy, but I love football, Jan says. In Huainan, China, there is a great building for music fans. It is in the shape of a piano with a violin in front of it. They are about 50 times the size of a real piano and violin. It's a popular tourist attraction. There is a lift inside the violin to take people up to the next floor. It has got a lot of windows, so there is plenty of light. It isn't a house, it is an office, so there are no bedrooms or kitchens. Is there an unusual building where you live? What is special about it?
And now answer the questions. Are there any buildings where you live? What is special about them?
The capital of Kazakhstan, Astana, is full of unusual buildings. Two that are very unusual are the gold towers, where people from the government work. They are exactly the same, round, wider at the bottom than the top, and they are covered in a shiny gold material. In the sun, they look quite beautiful.
And now let's learn the words. Building, crazy, dream, fan, story, great, home, inside, lift, metal, office, outside, poster, shape, summer, unusual, view, violin, warm, winter, wood. Look at the pictures. What can you see? What do these buildings look like? Yes, on the first picture there is a piano and a violin. On the second picture there is a football. And now let's read the text about unusual buildings in China and in Africa. In China there is a great building for music fans. It is an office. It is in the shape of a piano with a violin in front of it. There is a lift inside the violin to take people up to the next door. It has a lot of windows, but it hasn't got any bedrooms or kitchens. Jan Saukey's house in Malawi, Africa. It is a football fan's dream home. The 4-story house has got a bathroom, a kitchen, a bedroom and a living room. It has also got a great view from its windows. The outside is metal and the inside is all wood. So the house is cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Why is John's house special? It is in the shape of a football. Maybe I am crazy, but I love football, John says. And now, students, read the text again and mark the sentences true, false, or doesn't say. Let's check. I think you code with task. And now, in 3 minutes, write a few sentences about your ideal house. Use the words in the list. The shape, big rooms, great view, garden, fireplace.
My ideal house is in the shape of a basketball. It's got big rooms and a great view from its windows. There's a garden outside the house. In the living room, there's a fireplace.
And now, let's remember what we have done on this lesson today. We have learned new words, took information about unusual buildings. That's all. The lesson is over. Goodbye.